Capital One Quicksilver USA pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're looking for a straightforward cash back card, the Capital One Quicksilver card is one of the most popular options, but most people get this wrong by overlooking how easy it is to maximize rewards. The card has no annual fee, which already sets it apart from premium cards. You earn 5% cash back on every purchase every day with no categories to track. That means whether you're buying groceries, gas, or booking a flight, the rewards keep accumulating automatically. For example, spending $0 in a month earns back simple and predictable. New cardholders can also earn a one-time cash bonus after spending within the first 3 months. This upfront bonus is essentially free money if you use the card strategically. Capital One also provides extended warranty, travel accident insurance, and purchase protection, giving extra value beyond rewards. Redemption is effortless. Cashback can be applied as a statement credit, check, or deposited into a Capital One account. Most people miss the fact that you can schedule automatic redemptions, ensuring your rewards never sit unused. In conclusion, the Capital One Quicksilver card also is perfect for those who want simplicity, flexibility, and consistent rewards without worrying about categories or annual fees. The straightforward 5% cash back combined with a solid welcome bonus makes it one of the most efficient no annual fee cards on the market.